Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Motorola Moto G Pure. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi. Then enter YouTube app. Press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and select your TV. And that's it. Now, when devices are connected, you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to disconnect devices, again press this button and select disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.